Alright, let's see what the next box of crap looks like. This one came from somebody else, so it's not a big grab box full of junk. It's probably just Harley junk. Look at that, I got a book in here. Look at that. Look at that, I'm good. I got a quad pod, whatever the hell a quad pod is. I don't know what a quad pod is. I got some good mailers here, I can use those. Those are called camera bags. Ooh, told you we got good Harley parts. O-ring conversion for your knucklehead. An early pan. Colony, American made crap. That's pretty good. It's missing, no, it's got both rivets in there. Yeah, it's good. Got everything in there. Yeah, that's probably 50 bucks these days for that crap. So that's your 40, was it 1940 through 54. Ooh. Connecting rod, one, male, female, non-existent. XA 706, that makes it a big twin rod. Pan knuckle, and shovel. Ooh, appears to be two of them. Second one. .706 again, same one. You can take two of them side by side and make a racing motor. There you go, that'd be different. Yeah, two rods to start with. Appear to be in good condition, so rebuildable. New rods, new bushings, new races, and blast them good as new. These are earlier ones because they're machined. That makes them 72 and earlier. So maybe 73, definitely 72. Yeah, usable. Oh, there's more of them in here. Damn, how many did I get? I must have bought out a rod farm. There's another one. Yeah, that's another 706. Getting a collection of these going now. This one's still usable. Another loose one fell out of the bag. Appear to be all the same. Big twin. Knuckle, pan, shovel. Appears to be more. How many of these are in here? I must have got a good deal on these. This thing almost can hone this one out. Yeah, that might be rebuildable. Yeah. They're racing to cut grooves in here for oil, get more oil in there. That's what the racers do. Oh. Ooh, a set of rods. Alright. Match pair. Bigum twin. Not rebuildable. All acid etched in there. If your fingernail catches anything, it's bad. Right in the bottom, I catch on it. If you can feel it, it's not bad. It's not good either because it'll pit out on you, unless it hones out, which probably doesn't. So good for rebuildable core, but not good for using as is. So I got one set of rods. Here we go. And this is another set here. Bigum twin. They're machined, so they're early again. The late ones don't have the machining, they're not tapered, just square. Chunky, ugly looking. Black and machining. They didn't care what they looked like. Yeah. These races look really nice, except they're all rusted. They haven't been really run. Look like they might have been almost new. But they're all junk now. They're all corroded. So this is a newer set of rods. There you go. I got one set of rods and a couple extra pieces. Rod department. We're open for business. There you go. It's a good thing I saved that from last year. Yeah, I was almost missed out not having that. Alright, that's it for eBay junk. Let's find another box laying around. There you go.